What's going on, guys? Where I review the latest and greatest gadgets. Based on my research and personal testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered for. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Dreo Air Fryer Pro Mix. Number 4. Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer. Number 3. CHEFMAN Compact Air Fryer. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Number 1. Ninja AF 101 Air Fryer. So, these are the top 5 best air fryer for 2024 according to me. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. Also, let me know in the comments below which air fryer you like the most, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.